New generation of wealth builders.
Gate has different features for trading and earning. Let's start with spot trading. To access spot trading, you can go to trade and click on spot. Here, you will be greeted with the familiar interface wherein you can see your trading pairs over here, your prices, your chart here. So you don't have to go back anymore to a different trading chart. And you can see also your trading, your order books, the trades, the top movers. And what I like about this is that you also have moments wherein you can see other people sentiment or comments for that particular token. You also have your trading panel here complete with limit orders, market orders, and conditional limit orders. You can also set your TP and SL, different methods like iceberg. And here you can also see your order panel. Gate also has futures trading. So to access futures trading, you can go to futures, click on futures. Again, this is a familiar interface wherein you have your token pair over here. You can see the chart, the order books, and also the trading panel. You can have access to leverage like 10x up to 200x for certain pairs. You also have your limit, market, and conditional orders. So when you buy or sell a trade or open a position, your positions will go over here. You can set and manage your orders when it's open over here. For letting your idle funds work, there is a native feature for Gate which is Earn. To access it, go back to the home page and then click on Earn. There are several Earn features like Stable Earn, Advanced Earn, and also Loans. Stable Earn has different markets and different estimated APRs with different terms. So you can choose whichever coin APR and term that is best for you. You will be locking your tokens depending on the term that you select. You can have like stable coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular tokens over here. You can even have earn using PAX G. So earn on your tokenized gold. Gate also has staking wherein you can stake cryptos to earn proof of stake products like BTC, Ethereum, and here is your estimated APR. You're also going to stake your spot tokens like BTC, ETC, or Ethereum or Solana to earn yields on your idle spot tokens. You can also earn by minting GUSD, which is Gates' yield-bearing asset backed by tokenized treasury bills and stable coins. So the yield that they earn come from different strategies like let's see here, tokenized treasuries, Gate ecosystem revenue, other RWA, and stablecoin back yield assets. So if you want to know more, you can click on the link GUSD here. They also have Auto Invest, or also known as DCA, wherein you can create a plan to buy on different intervals on a regular basis. They also have soft staking, wherein your idle trading funds like USDT or other coins earns a reward. For example, here, if you have idle USDT, you can have 0.78% APR, and then you can activate it over here. They also have other advanced earn strategies wherein you can invest using dual investment, smart leverage, quant fund, VIP wealth hub, and private management. The APR or the yield here varies and the risk also varies. Gate also facilitates loans using your collateral, so you can enable crypto loan and select your desired borrowed token like USDT. So just click on borrow and then you can choose your collateral over here, your loan amount, and your rate. Let's go to the next feature, which is TradFi. Gate gives users access to trade gold, forex, and other markets such as Nasdaq 100, DAX 40, So you can trade in one click. So click on TradFi over here. You will also see that the interface is similar to the spot and futures, wherein you can select your TradFi assets like gold, Nasdaq 100, DAX 40, crude oil, Hang Seng 50, and then other forex pairs, silver. So there's a lot that you can choose here to trade. They can also give access to leverage up to 500x.